Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about a price prediction for CRO Crypto.com coin CRONOS for 2025 and beyond. We're going to talk about that more in today's video. I'm going to give you guys some of the numbers that I've been looking at to kind of get me to where I think this project should be priced at into the next bull run, which we believe here should be coming in 2024, 2025. So let's give you a price prediction on that one. If you haven't done so already, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. I have 3 videos every single day coming at you, 2 shorts, 1 long form video, and I got $4,100 sitting there in the description in a link down below. Tap that. If you sign up for FeeMax, open up a trade, you could get up to $4,100 for a free trade. So check it out. Take advantage while the opportunity is there. Without further ado, let's take a peek here at the charts just to get a frame for where the market's at. You got a $1.1 trillion market cap here in the crypto markets today, which ain't so bad, but we are down just a little bit. Bitcoin slightly below 24,000. Let me refresh the page to make sure these prices are accurate. Yes, so a just slightly under $24,000 Bitcoin, 23.3. Ethereum at 1,800. So that's kind of where we're sitting right now. And CRONOS came down just a touch to 14.5 cents about, which is fine. So we're holding strong right now. But I see a lot of folks asking in the chat. I had a shout out to JG asking what is a good price prediction for CRONOS in 2025. We're going to talk about that and more here, but also had a fella asking, can Crypto.com hit $2 by the FIFA World Cup that's coming up here that Crypto.com is the sponsor for? Well, I responded to his comment. I don't believe that a $2 CRO is possible, in the short term like that. I mean, by September, October, November, I think, that's a little too soon to get to a $2 CRO. But one day, I very much so believe that we will have a $2 CRO. So let's take a peek here. First of all, there is this article I just found. I wanted to show you guys kind of so if you went to Google and you tried to find what a price prediction would be, which by the way, that's not reliable. I don't recommend doing that. But we've all done that at some point, right? You type in price prediction, you go to Google. This is one I saw. So I just want to share with you guys what I'm seeing on the internet, and we'll talk about what my thoughts on this are. But looking at some of these price predictions, for this year, they're looking at maybe a 45-cent CRO. 2023, they're looking at maybe a 71-cent CRO, $1.06 in 2024, 180 in 2025. They're looking at about 250-ish, 225 in 2026. So for your 2025 prediction from this publication, they're talking about $1.50 to $1.80. But notice here in their price predictions, and this is something I want to point out to you. You can go Google price predictions for anything, but there are always going to be these really strange price predictions, and I call it strange because every single year the price goes up according to these guys. 71 cents to $1, $1 to $1.50, $1.50 to $2.10, $2.10 to $3.20, $3.20 to $5.30, up to $7 to $6. So each year it goes up, but that's not how crypto works. So they are saying, let's just go back to it real quick. They're saying, $1.80 on the high end for 2025, according to this Change Jelly blog, this publication. So how accurate could that be? Well, in order to kind of determine that, I gotta kind of go back in time and show you guys a historical snapshot of Bitcoin here and crypto. So let's just take a peek here at, first of all, Bitcoin. So I'll take you over and we'll see. Historically, you have to know what Bitcoin has done in the past. So Bitcoin and crypto overall. Let's look at the all-time chart here. Notice again on this publication with the CRO predictions, they showed the price just kind of going straight up. Now, if it was going, from 70 cents to $1 to $2 each year, staggering up, well then in this chart, we'd see something that does more of this, right? Well, actually, this way, right? Well, other way. So we'd see something that does this. And that's not what we see in crypto. That's not what we see in charts. You look at the S&P 500, you don't even see that. Now, over time, you'll see that a little bit more, especially with something less volatile like the S&P 500. But with crypto, it's known for its volatility. So price predictions that stagger up year over year are really bad in my opinion. Because as we know here, there's bull markets and there's bear markets. And when you see what the price appreciations are for Bitcoin in a bull market, it goes way up and then it comes way down. So for example, in 2017, it was at 20K at its peak and it came down and didn't get back to 20K for 3 years or so. So that's really wild, and that is a long time before it comes back up. So my point is price ain't gonna just step stool up. So you kind of, what the question is when you're looking for a price prediction for 2025 is what will be the peak in a bull market for CRONOS in that particular year when we are kind of predicting that it might be at a peak. So this video, I'm talking about a 2025 price prediction because I think the 2025, maybe 2024 should be the peak. So this is a 2024-2025 prediction. In order to kind of pick the best number to determine, what the price of CRO should be, I want to take you guys over to Binance. Maybe you've seen my video. If you haven't done so already, I like to assess Binance versus Crypto.com for 2 reasons. One, Binance is a competitor. It's a crypto exchange. 2, it's also a smart contract play. It's got an L1, the Binance Smart Chain, just like CRONOS. So really big project there and a great thing to kind of compare Crypto.com to. And as you can see here in the market cap, in 2019, it was at $5 billion. And then in 2021, it was at $100 billion. So basically a 20x for Binance in the last bull market. Now, that's from the previous bull peak to the most recent bull peak. Now the question is, from this bull peak of $100 billion to the next bull peak for Binance, is it going to 20x? I don't think it's going to 20x because depreciating gains is kind of how it works. Each year, each bull phase, there's less upward. It still goes up, but doesn't go up as much because it's logarithmic, and that's just how it works. So I don't believe we'll have a 20x on Binance, but I do believe that a 10x is certainly possible. For this video, I'm going to talk about a 10x on Binance, okay? So that makes basically, that's $1 trillion Binance. I'm going to even get more conservative for you guys, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to call it, let's call it a $700 billion Binance. Let's call it a 7x from the previous high. So that's going from a 20x to a 7x. We're getting conservative here because I want to give you guys a good price prediction. Now let's compare it to CRONOS. So CRONOS hasn't been around as long, and we have to point that out. CRONOS has only been around since 2018, when Binance has been around since about 2014 or 2015, I believe. So it's had a couple more years to get out, which is why its market cap is higher. A $50 billion market cap versus CRONOS and Crypto.com's $3.8 billion market cap. Significant advantage there. But the user gap, and I made a video about the user growth. Check out my user video on CRONOS versus Binance. But a 50 million user base on CRONOS versus a 90 million user base on Binance. So 50 million users on CRONOS, 90 million on Binance. So it's about half as good in terms of users worldwide. So that's a big deal. With that, I have to say that I believe that CRONOS should be half the value of Binance, and right now it is way off. CRONOS is currently ranked number 25 token, which means it has a lot of room to make up on Binance and a lot of room to climb the ranks in crypto. And recently, it just expanded into Canada. They just got they proposed going into the Canadian side and getting some traders going in Canada. They got approved in Britain, which is very exciting. They recently acquired some exchanges in South Korea, which is very exciting. So there's a lot of growth to come. If Binance goes to the 700 billion, this is conservative, right? Binance could go to 1 trillion. It could go to 2 trillion, right? We could have that 20x. It's possible. Not likely, but it's possible. But let's just call it 700 billion. And then let's say CRONOS goes to half that value. Well, that's going to be about a $350 billion CRONOS. So then that's simple from there. All you got to do is you got to take a $350 billion CRONOS. So you take 350 and you divide it by the current market cap, which is 3.8 billion. So we'll just call it 3.8. That is a 92x from current price valuation. So if you take 92 and you multiply it by, 14.5 cents, guys, you're talking about a very, very high priced CRO coin. You're talking about a $13 CRO. And remember, this is conservative. So let's just cut these numbers in half to be even more conservative. You're talking about basically a $6 CRO in 2025 if CRO is half the market cap of Binance and if Binance goes to 400 billion. So basically you need a 4x from the previous high for Binance and you need CRONOS to get to half the value of Binance. Do you guys think that is possible? Because I certainly do. My official price prediction for 2025, and let's call it 2024-2025 bull run, because I think that's the fair way to do it. My price prediction for that period of time, minimum of $5. I do believe that a $5 CRO is possible. I think a $6 CRO is likely. We're not going to $10. I'm going to say it here and now. I do truly believe in 2025, we could get a $5 CRO. Unfortunately, leading into the end of this year for this special awesome event we have in the FIFA World Cup, we're not going to get a $2 CRO before the end of the year. But who knows? Maybe we get back up to 50 cents. Maybe we get close to $1. I really don't think $2 is going to happen. If it is going to happen, Bitcoin will have to go back up, moving towards all-time highs in a hurry. One caveat to my price prediction here for the day. I got to point out to you guys, in 2025, if Bitcoin is not performing well, if Ethereum especially is not performing well, because remember, CRONOS is a competitor or a complement to Ethereum. If that is not performing well and your big projects aren't performing, there's no way CRONOS can do it alone. The whole crypto market needs to pump. So if these bull cycles continue the same, I really feel good about a $5 CRO in 2025, maybe 2025 bull run, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the chat comments down below. If you haven't noticed, I do love to talk with my audience out in this crypto world. Please leave a chat in the comments down below. I will respond to you. We will have a dialogue going. I will make a video based on what you guys want to hear because that's what I want to do. This is a community. We're a team. We're in this together. And right now, it's very exciting because this is the accumulation phase, guys. This is a bear market, and these are the times to buy. Over the next 1 to 2 years, if you buy some crypto with me, I think, and this isn't financial advice, but I think it's going to be pretty darn good. So stick with me, guys. 3 videos every single day. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.